Hey, what's going on, fellow Bitcoiners? I'm King.
I'm Bitcoin Zay.
And we are here with another episode of Altcoins We Buy.
Oh, yeah. Not necessarily today.
Not today.
But we buy them at certain points.
But ones we eventually buy. Yes. We can't tell you. Listen, y'all, for one, nobody's getting free information about when we're buying stuff and which ones and how much. Come on. I mean,
gotta do your due diligence.
You gotta do your due diligence. We spend a lot of time on it. We'll give you this. We'll give you now the names. And very soon we'll have some consulting things up if people are interested, because we already do it as well. But yeah, people pay good money to hear what we got to say about this stuff, all right? No.
Yeah, we'll leave it to the water when we can't make it drink.
There you go. What's the altcoin we're buying today?
The altcoin we're buying today is Waves.
Waves, ride that wave.
ES, another platform.
Another platform, yeah. It's the second one this week.
As you can see, some of these people that are creating tokens, they're deciding to go against crypto, and they decide to just build a platform for other cryptos, because that seems to be a good business model based on Ethereum's market rise.
Right. Everybody just wanted to,
yeah, people are taking
paying the most. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Some people can't, as the Ethereum decentralized app market goes, they think it's too crowded. So, of course, competition, Waves, and some of the other ones that we've discussed, they create their own, and they create decentralized apps, and they create the platform for you to create your own. They have a few successful ones already. They have Waves to Bitcoin, WBTC. It's like a one-to-one. You can trade Waves for Bitcoin as payments, because they say it's faster and lower transaction costs. They have something like Incent, where you can actually reward people with tokens for being loyal to your company. A lot of decentralized apps that are coming up, but like I said, it's newer. It's it's only 2 years old right now. Ethereum's 4, so most of these things are pretty new, but this is very, very new. So Waves is definitely something you should look at for the future.
And I tell you what, we saw this one coming from pretty far. I don't think we were bought into it anymore, but we did get. Are we? Oh, we are. Never mind. Yeah. But I remember we do separate portfolios sometimes. It makes it all the time. But I remember having that one early as well and got rid of it to jump on some other stuff when some money came. But Waves has been very interesting this year, like many cryptos. For what reason? The return. It is amazing. And of course, I'm going to talk about the money. Waves in just 6 months have went from 25 cents to $5.02. Yeah. A quarter,
one token,
to $5.02 for one token. That's happened in 6 months, and that has given investors, buyers, crypto holders, wherever you call them, a return of 1,908%. Wow.
1908.
That's in 6 months.
Man.
In like a year, sometimes your traditional funds might clear. I'm talking traditional hedge funds, the top of the top, might clear that 20 to 22%.
Yeah.
Then you got your traditional mutual funds and all that, and just regular old IRAs and all that combined. You might see 7 to 15% doing some of those things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Which is why all the hedge funds have been jumping into the crypto space as of late.
Yeah.
But they
How
are
many new ones? 70?
Yes, 70 new hedge funds in the crypto space. They are about to get a rude awakening, and a lot of people are going to be losing money because. There's a difference between managing a 7% loss or gain or 20% loss or gain.
Risk averse,
versus seeing a portfolio go down 40% one day and then up 600% the next day.
Yeah.
So it'll be very interesting to see. But yes, Waves 6 months ago was 25 cents. It is now $5.02 for a return of 1,908%, 1,908% for some people. And with $1,000, that would have gave you back $19,080. Wow.
Yeah.
$19,080 in 6 months from $1,000 investment.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what numbers are those?
Yeah, you've never seen that before.
How many? If you go back and look at our 20 videos, you're going to see a lot of the coins we're in, if not all of them. Sometimes we jump in and out.
From now.
But think 6 months, and then after 6 months, say it doesn't go great. Think 1 to 2 years. Think 3 years. You have to think long term these. But realistically, you can also think 3 to 6 months and see what happens. Mm-hmm. I mean, every coin, 1,900 here, 2,000 here.
Coins that are worth $1. Think about retirement. Like, you know what I mean? You're thinking 10, 20, 30, 40 years.
Right. It'll be foolish not to put any money into this stuff. So, in our opinion, but we are not professionals with this stuff. We're just professional money makers. That's it.
How about for our commenters out there, instead of leaving a comment, why don't you tell us a token you would create on the Waves platform? If you created your own token, describe it. Tell us how you would issue it. Because I know a lot of people, buy tokens, buy coins. But if you created your own, what would you create on the Waves platform? Because, it's a possibility. So,
all right, for the unique phrase, give us like 2 or 3 sentences about the type of token you want to see created or that you would create. And the best one,
even if it's some bullshit, it's fine. Like deodorant coin. Like,
I was gonna say you
the
might be better off trying to make us laugh than giving us a tangible coin. But let's say the best one will get a free Bitcoin to this time.
Oh yeah.
As always, thanks for watching. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram that we barely use at Kirby Crypto, KRBE CRYPTO. And of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.